Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove a Jaguar XF steering wheel. Before starting, safety is paramount. You must disconnect the vehicle's battery, specifically the negative terminal, to prevent accidental airbag deployment. Next, adjust your steering wheel to its most extended and highest position. This provides crucial access to the rear. Ensure you have a flat blade screwdriver, various Torx bits, and a 17mm socket ready for the task ahead. Now let's tackle the airbag module. You'll find two small access holes on the back of the steering wheel, typically around the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into one hole and gently push inward to release the internal spring clip. You may need to rotate the steering wheel 90 degrees to properly access each hole. Once both clips are disengaged, carefully pull the airbag module forward and disconnect its two electrical connectors and the horn wire. With the airbag safely removed, we can now access the main steering wheel fasteners. First, remove any small Torx screws, often T20, that secure the rear cowling or control switches. Next, locate the large central bolt. This usually requires a T50 Torx bit or a 17mm socket. It's crucial to note the steering wheel's exact position on the spline before loosening this bolt to ensure correct reinstallation and alignment. Once the main bolt is removed, gently but firmly pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. Be careful not to rotate the clock spring mechanism behind it, as this can damage internal wiring. For reinstallation, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all electrical connections are secure and the main bolt is tightened to manufacturer specifications. Finally, reconnect your battery and verify that the steering wheel is perfectly aligned and all controls function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.